Are you bored? Do you like beanbags? Does your modern self lack beanbags and the energy to go outside? You've tried making do with what you have, and even had a little fun, but it's simply not the same. You do, however, have a fancy new VR headset purchase you've been trying to justify.
We are a team of top BYU students with access to a world-class mixed reality facility and a chance to make a difference in the world. So, like responsible, mature adults, we spent actual time making Cornholio, the world's first good cornhole game. Quality is important to us, so we made sure that our virtual reality cornhole replicated the thrills felt in actual cornhole. But this isn't your grandfather's cornhole. In Cornholio, you can now experience corn golf, like golf, but with a modern twist. Corn climbing, rocks and walls, nope. Beanbags and boards. And of course, Corn Pong, the classic college experience without the real-life consequences. Whoa, be careful there, fellas. Cornhole kits are expensive. Save your money by downloading Cornholio to justify your $500 VR setup. Show your friends the limited possibilities of virtual reality cornhole with Cornholio.